Well, here we are at the lighthouse. And where were you at, Gene? What is this?
Barnegat Inlet.
Barnegat Inlet. Hold on. Wow. Okay. Every lighthouse has its own colors. So this is identified as Barnegat Inlet Lighthouse. This guy's fishing right behind the lighthouse. You're looking at the inlet right there. Little walkway and the lighthouse. No, this is too slippery, too dangerous for me to fish. Alright, so here we are, just like on a map. We reach first obstacle. Okay, there's a gate, no motorized vehicles. There's a lock. Now we're gonna see if we get this kayak through here. Now for the old guy. If I made it, I think he should be able to make it. It was a tight fit for me. I had to maneuver around.
Net might get hung up.
Okay, well it's all right. We could cut that net out.
All right.
All right, looking good. Yep. Well, we made it through the gate. Glad they left that for us. The sand is very soft. It's very, very hard pulling. Really need those. It's hard even walking. No, I like Atlantic City much better. Parking is easy here. Alright, here we go. And the main thing is don't panic.
Yeah.
Don't panic, just paddle. You'll get there.
You know, our son was panicking.
Yeah.
And
Once you panic, then you're in trouble.
yeah.
And I am not a good swimmer. Not at all.
You're not?
Huh?
You're not a good
No. Very bad. I have no confidence. But when it comes to saving my life, I don't know. We'll see. It's amazing what the human body will do to survive. That's it. I have my whistle. I'm good. And I got the cameras to record all this. So you'll see it on the news. And there's the lighthouse that we were at. John DeSoto says all you need is 3-4 feet. That's why he's been catching them.
Yeah. Rotten fish.
Good.
4 feet down, 5 feet down.
They're probably carp.
Huh?
They're probably carp.
Yeah, right. You got carp on your brain. Maybe they're flathead catfish.
Yeah. Well, Gene's got to bump into me. He has no control over his. He has no control over his bladder or his boat. No control at all. Well, I'm doing videos. You ain't doing shit.
You don't have to record shit. Actually, I could be recording you right now.
Yeah.
That's a good video.
We got this gulp minnow. Okay, we only got 5 foot of water here. So I'm gonna drag this bottom. I'll catch you up with the old guy later. Fish on. That is a big one. I got one. I drop it down. Alright, so here we are. I would say it's about 3 o'clock.
I lost all track of time. I think we were out there for about 5 hours.
It's a beautiful day.
That it is.
A lot of seaweed. Hey, look at this. There's more kayakers coming.
You know?
Yeah. Looks like one guy's going to be fishing. We caught.
You caught.
Well, okay, I caught. I would say about 4 or 5 flounders. You can catch a couple, but it's on video.
Nice one, yeah.
Yeah, it's on video. You know me. I don't tell stories.
No.
Not on video, I'm not saying anything.
There's no picture, video, it's just a fishing story.
There's no sense even
That's an
talking about it.
quote.
Yeah, it's no sense even talking about it. But,
Beautiful here with the lighthouse in the background.
The current is very strong. It's pushing us around real fast.
Yeah.
We even threw the anchor out.
Couldn't hold anchor.
Yeah.
It dragged me 200 yards up.
I think we're going to try a little longer and then probably call it a day, huh?
Yeah. Maybe stop somewhere else on the way home.
No.
The fish store. The fish store.
Yeah, fish store. Yeah, we'll show you. We might have to get a bigger cooler.
Maybe we can sell our big pool.
You guys won't believe it. What we're catching them on. Freshwater perch fillets. Yeah, go ahead, you idiot. The fish are over there. Now the waves. Yeah, the fish are over there. Whoa! 15. Another idiot. Yeah, over there. The fish are over there. They're not here. They're over there. Dude from Jersey. This is what like Jersey flounder looks like. Yeah, I know you guys. We caught a bunch of them already. Oh, this is 15-inch. Not a keeper. It's a 15-inch, but I didn't take a video or picture of the other ones. Didn't want to show you like we were skunked. Okay, Gene's right behind me. You won't believe what we're catching on. Perch. Fillet of perch. See ya. Just when you think you've seen everything, how about that? Catch it all here. It's a flying fish, I don't know. Yeah, for flounder you really got to drift.
Yeah, I think you're right.
So it feels like a fish, but I know it's not. I'll show you what it is. Let's bring him to the top. He's stealing all my bait. He's holding on for dear life. He's stealing all of our bait. Here he comes. Can you see him? Little thief. Look at him. Caught him red-handed. There he goes. Look at this ugly thing. I got him good. He's hooked. Gene, so you seen people catch something? What? What did you see them catch?
I've seen 4 doormats caught, definitely.
Right. What were they using?
I couldn't tell, it was too far away, but I could see the fish were definitely keeping.
What color?
What color what?
What color lure they were using?
Fish?
Gene, was the color black?
Hey, all I could see was a fish at 50 yards. I couldn't tell what color.
You just said it was the bait was all like black.
Well, then why are you asking me again? If I already...
Well, I wanted to get documented on camera. It was a black worm that were catching these things on, most likely.
Yeah, black.
Yeah,
right.
thank you. Okay, this is a ship bottom municipal pier. As you get over the bridge, you get off the first exit, and it's on 10th Street.
I don't know how that current is underneath that bridge, but that looks like the only good place to fish.
Well, this is our first spot that we want to look at.
Right.
We are here at the lowest tide possible. This is what they call dead tide. High tide should be around 2 o'clock. The wind is blowing from this direction.
North to south.
Yeah, I would say north to south, yeah. Okay, well, we're gonna head up to the lighthouse, where the inlet is.